Hey guys, we are here today in the slightly cramped back of my GTI to install this rear chassis brace from ECS Tuning. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and it goes across the brackets that hold the rear seats up, so there's no drilling required. You literally just clamp on these brackets, put it on the end, and have some fun. This will hopefully just stiffen up the chassis, help us have more fun, and work really well with that rear sway bar we got going down underneath. This is something like I said, I've wanted to do for a while. I think it's gonna be really cool as well, not just performance-wise, but visually, because it's something you can see because it's inside the car. It's not under the hood, it's not underneath the car entirely, it's inside the car. And I think it'll look really cool. It'll just add a little bit of a race car feel to it, even though we are a long way away from a full-blown GTI race car, but that'll happen eventually. I'm really excited for this. It does weigh a little bit, maybe 10 pounds, not terrible. I bet the chassis stiffening outweighs this weight in terms of performance. So I'm excited. We're here to install this today. So let's get to it and install this rear brace. All right, so this goes on this side. I looked on ECS's website and the Allen bolt was on top. So we just gotta loosen this stuff. I brought the whole kit. Try to figure this out. I think we can get away with loosening it as much as we possibly can. So that's a 4 mil. And what are you? 3 or 2? You might be 2.5. I have one of those, which is why I say it might be that. Sweet. Nope, that does have to come out. Oh. So that goes back on there. Nope, I did not feel like it was in. Oh, this might take a minute. Hua. Shooting hugs. Ah, drop it on my face. It's like working underneath a car without being underneath a car. It's kind of crazy. Okay, that's one side. Oh boy, get up, get up. There we go. There we go. That's one side. On to the next one. Ow. It's so small back here. But I'm a small human being, so it's okay. There's just stuff everywhere. So it's a 4 and a 2.5. That's what these are. That's good to know. An idea. It's usually dangerous when I have an idea, but I have one. I'm gonna see. Nope, my idea I don't think is gonna work. That's okay. Why is this one misbehaving? You behave pretty nicely, you're in there. I guess you want to go up like this. That's weird. The other one went down. This one goes up. I mean, it fits. I'm not going to complain. And that kind of makes it nicer for me. Let's look at that. That's 600 times easier. As an estimate, but about that. I had the Fuji set up with all the room down here because I thought I was going to be underneath it. Keep dropping this one. Let's get this one in here. Gosh darn it. Oh no, come back. Baby, come back. It's not fully tightened, so we're gonna get this up on there. Now, I think we gotta loosen these. Just a touch. It's too tight, I think, to get in there. This one. Oh no. Hit everything, hit everything. Let's try this. This. This way, I think. Oh, there we go. Needs to be just a bit longer. There we go. Oh, I need to tighten it. Amazing. Look at this bar. It's so cool. 10, 8, 8, thank you. I didn't have a 9. Okay, that one's nice and tight. Then retighten you. Okay. That's doing good. I'm gonna adjust it. Put ECS out for now. And then tighten all these down. Wow, this is so nice. I actually really, that is firm. That is so cool. All right, this is in. I am super excited. Looks like you can adjust it, and I can like push out the walls of the thing. Let's get it. Might be too far. We'll figure it out. Save the doors closed. I mean, honestly, it's actually pushing it quite a bit. It's really cool. Tighten those down. This is going to be so much fun. That was about 600 times easier than I thought it was going to be. It really was so easy. The side when it's underneath, it's a little fun, but that's just time consuming. It's not hard. But I'm excited. This is going to be so much fun. We're going to see how it drives. So if you want to see how it drives, check out my YouTube channel. Find the butt down report video. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Please have a great day. Please subscribe. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.